California, that's my home base. And then that's it fun. Dallas.
Yes, sir.
No, we're taking action on start right now.
That's right.
Before the end of the year.
Four, three, two, one. Stop cooking.
Taste of Haiti 2015.
Beautiful. And where you from?
Philadelphia, PA.
Flew all the way from Philadelphia to come be with us today. Ça vous vient là, c'est pour manger, manger, oui. Everybody's enjoying the food so far? There you go. And we have a new chef.
Got 10 down. A lot of good food. Chef gets to know, what are you preparing, if you don't mind telling me?
Right now, it's on my octopus, my frozen octopus. That's it.
I'm evil.
Like
Did you not know that?
Chef Tim, what do you got going here, man? Is this your first time using octopus? Chat rouge?
No, but I'm trying to cook it as fast as possible. I want to make like a...
I like to throw curveballs. A big thank you to Madame Gogus for supporting and sponsoring the 3rd annual Taste of Haiti.
I think I heard somebody ready to play.
Somebody ready to play?
Somebody's ready to play.
Because it's almost 10 minutes left.
Remember now, cold food is
not acceptable. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Vai, chef, não te chauffer. Vai, chef, não te chauffer. Vai, chef, não te chauffer. Courage, oh. Ah, regardez la famille, là, monsieur. Hein? 45 minutes. Okay, that's 2 minutes. No, there was 30 seconds. Supporting and sponsoring the 3rd annual Taste of Haiti Chef Cook-Off. Non, mon cher, posez, pas mettre trop pression. Okay, 1 minute left.
Looking forward to the presentations coming up.
1 minute left. Tout le monde va mon petit chauffeur,
I said we cut it in half.
You think so?
Yeah, we could cut the minutes in half.
You think we throw him another curveball?
And that's already, man. That's already.
You think we throw him another curveball?
Let's do it.
What do you guys think? We go too fast for them? 45 minutes is a lot of time.
Man, si moun gars yon nan fè tou nan 45 minutes.
On pa ket tan, oui? On pa ket tan, oui? 45 minutes. Okay, that's 2 minutes. No, there was 30 seconds. I gave him 30 seconds. Yeah. Ouais, courir derrière, il y a le droit vite, chef David.
Non, mon cher, 45 minutes, tu vas faire ça qu'a fait dans 15 minutes. 15 minutes! 15 minutes, vous avez ça.
Ouais, parce que nous-mêmes haïtiens, nous prenons 2 heures pour nous former un moulin à dire en sauce.
This item been cooked in 15 minutes. Salt.
Just by 1 floor.
Action, action. Chef James, ça va finir là.
30 seconds left.
Chef Stéphane.
30 seconds.
Chef James finit qui t'a dormi.
Chef, on connaît chef James qui travaille même la nuit.
La nuit.
Chef, how you feel?
Oh my God, 45 minutes. You guys think it's so long, but it's not. There, it's a little more, a little more challenging. Et merci Manu pour ingrédients aujourd'hui.
So what did you prepare? So préparé là.
Préparé en barley wheat, limeade and cilantro, mock rice, I guess, and then champignon.
Un petit calalou fouille.
I'm enjoying it. My daughter's here. I'm enjoying it.
Applaudissements pour Chef Ketina.
Nadej, so well manger.
The cilantro definitely stands out. The fried okra, I wish it had a little bit more flavor. I know she dusted it in flour, so I would have seasoned that a little bit just to give it a little bit more flavor. But other than that, like I said, the flavors are pretty balanced. And like I said, glaze is my favorite grain of all. Very good.
Chef Amandes, what do you think for the second time at the competition?
Oh, I think it's absolutely wonderful.
That's good. It's kind of good.
Chef Vlad, what did you have in mind, sir? Só tem que não ter do mundo para manger ça.
Ça me dégaine tellement, c'est que je me dégaine pour risotto, ok? Avec un purée d'avocat. Et puis l'écume d'attente sauté au blanc. Les autres sont aussi un petit poulet de tomate. Que malheureusement, je ne vais pas faire.
Belle présentation, belle présentation. Chef Amandes. Speechless.
Well, I like the avocado. I like the avocado and everything.
This is you?
I can put it a little better than everybody else. But the flavors are great. The colors are right there. I love the colors on the plate. Yeah, everything's great.
Chef Nadej, moi, pas souquer des tout, só penser.
So far, this is my favorite place. I have to say,
Canada.
I love the colors. I love anything avocado with my favorite thing, blé. And this is the first dish, like I said, I don't know. I think someone else is making a risotto. I really get the risotto flavor with the butter and the creaminess out of it. So I really like this so far.
Chef, how you feeling, man?
I'm feeling very good, very nice. I'm happy that we're going to
The pressure was intense, huh?
so much intense, but it was so little minutes.
Well, let's wait for the chef.
I love this dish. Everything is perfect for me. Very good.
Wow. Wow.
Pepper, just one more chef left. One more
It
chef left.
sounds like we have somebody who just took a step.
Like I said, I love the twist of the avocado. It's always a favorite of mine. The vocal wheat fit perfect.
How you feeling, brother?
Feeling really good. The sun's gone down. It's nice and cool. Feels great. Feels great to be out.
Thank you for making this move to Taste of Haiti 3rd Annual. We welcome you to the HCA family. You are one of the successful Haitian catering companies that is working here in South Florida. Your plate looks beautiful. What did you think about all the secret ingredients we threw at you?
I thought it was really cool. It's a good combination of sweet, salty. You got the whole umami thing going on, fusion with Haitian food. It's great.
Well, I see the judges are bugging down on your food.
Chef Amandes.
Chef Amandes is a big eater. He's a big eater.
The presentation is nice. Could use a little bit more color, more green on it. I like the technique of the risotto. I like that. It's a little sweet for me, but like I said, overall the flavor's pretty good.
Chef, I see you shaking your head. What do you got? What do you have in mind? They're twisting you up.
Or like the octopus is a little tough. It could have been smaller. Like sometimes you get like that big tentacle on it, you just kind of scared to me.
This is very good.
We still counting. It's a tight race, so we're gonna need a few minutes.
Okay. In the meantime, in Ligno Suite, and of course, you guys. Without you, this festival is not possible.
Chef Stefan.
Do we have some?
It's a tight race.
Man, I can't talk anymore, man. Ça c'est pas Carl Mayweather? Oh. Oh. Bon. Let me call all the chefs on stage, please. All the chefs. All the chefs right here. Please join me. Please join me on the Mada Gugus cooking stage. I'm missing one chef. Chef James.
Chef James.
Where you at? Chef James. Okay.
Chef Stefan, it's such a pleasure to see all those chefs, and flew in from all over the place.
Chef David, 5 years ago, I think we started a movement. We started a family called the Haitian Culinary Alliance. Today, people can see that we have great talent in this community, not only in South Florida, but all over the country, all over the world, and in Haiti. So, can we call the fourth runner-up?
The fourth runner-up is Chef Ketina.
Thank you, Chef Ketina. This is our second time participating. Let's call the third runner-up.
The third runner-up is Chef James.
Chef James. Chef James, thank you for being part of this competition, of being part of Taste of Haiti, and now a member of the Haitian Culinary Alliance. Thank you very much, sir. Bon.
The second.
Papier sa chaud nan.
The show.
The show.
The second runner-up.
Papier chaud m'dou.
I'm gonna let Lada do the one, the second runner-up.
Okay, second runner-up.
Chef Tim, you are the second runner-up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the crowd has spoken. The winner of the third annual Managugu's Haitian Culinary Alliance Cook-Off Taste of Haiti is Mr. Canada himself. Wow. Young man, you came all the way from Canada. You came all the way from Canada and you took this away. He's a young chef.
I don't know what to say, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, the judges.
The avocado.
Man, look at that. He's a superstar already. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the chef.
Chef Vladimir.
This has been the third annual Taste of Haiti Managugu's Cook-Off. Chef David.
You think that was
Monsieur Fizeme. Faut by winner à la main. Monsieur Fizeme, thank you again for supporting Managugu's. We are ready. Oh! What? Let the man. Hey, this is my honorary chef. He's not wearing his jacket, but he is no longer just commissioner. He is the chairman. He is the boss. Thank you, sir. You have been an unbelievable partner, an unbelievable supporter of not only Taste of Haiti, but the Haitian community in general, and the Haitian Culinary Alliance.
What a beautiful event this has been, especially for the last 3 years, but particularly for today. Please give a big round of applause for all our chefs. Give them a big round of applause. This is beautiful. And I'm going to continue to work with you and keep this as one of your legacy, all right? As part of your legacies and as part of my legacy. And I congratulate, do we have a winner yet?
Where's our winner right here? Here's our winner right here. Please come and meet the chairman, Chairman Jean-Monestin. He came all the way from Canada to be part of this event.
You know, but if he came from Canada, he doesn't need to get a plaque or a trophy or anything because it's warm in here. That's enough of a reward for you. But congratulations, all right? And we are waiting, we'll be expecting you next year as well.